Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Stupid Brain. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install Visual Studio Code and actually start using it on your Windows PC right now. This is good for Windows 10 and Windows 11, so you guys can obviously see it. So we're going to start off by just searching up Visual Studio Code, right? So you have all of this. On the bottom, you can also see like the images. You go to images, you can see everything in here. But what I really want to see is I want to go here and I want to go to either Visual Studio Code right here and download it for Windows, or you could just go immediately and press the download button. It'll go for all of these three. So I want to go for the download button because yes, and I'm just going to download it for Windows. Now when I download it for Windows, as you guys can see, it'll start up a setup right here, so we can go here. So now if I want to go here, I can just go uninstall. I actually downloaded the first one of them, so I just want to go next, but I want to delete one of those. So we're gonna now since we put next, we can go in here, we can go create a desktop item, next, install. Now when it's installing, we could just exit from our Google. You guys can see my screen, and then you guys can finish. Now when it says finish, you guys are already gonna go in. As you guys can see, you have all of this stuff. It's a lot, but you know, it's good. I'm not gonna click on any of these because I have another style, but you can pick high contrast, dark, whatever. So now you can start done and mark done. Now when you guys have this, I'm just going to go to the extensions and I'm going to start downloading the Dracula. The Dracula. I don't know really how to spell Dracula. I'm just going to click on this, install it, and set as it says. So now I'm going to just zoom into here. As you guys can see, we have all of our stuff like Dracula. We can uninstall it, disable it, set color theme, whatever we want. So I'm just going to exit from that. Go back to here. We can also open up a folder, which I'm actually going to make right now. Make a folder right here. I'm just going to grab a new folder and call it, let's just say, web. Because I'm going to make lots of websites on this. I'm just going to drag this across. Now if I open this back, or just go to my back one right here, we could say my open folder. Now since I have all of these, we could just search up web, W-E-B, search it up. Oh, it says invalid. I guess we can just go to our thing. Let's just delete it and search it up as web. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get the actual web, which is on my desktop right now. I don't know why it's lagging. We're just gonna grab it again. I'm going to open up a folder, go to my desktop, web, select the folder. There we go. Now we're always going to trust the authors of all files in the parent folder, desktop, and then we're going to go yes, I trust the authors. Now since we have that, we could go in, out, in, out. Alright. We could start off if we want to make like an HTML folder. We already have our folder right here, so I could just go here and I could make an HTML. Now since I have the HTML, I can open it up and I can create a new one. I'll just make this new.html. Now when I got that new.html, if I close this down, we'll have it as a folder. If I close all of this down, we can have it. So this is just to keep track of all of your stuff. So now I'm going to go and I can go inside of here in extensions and I can say run in open in browser. You're going to install that real quick. As you guys can see, it says uninstall, install. So we can go back here. Now when I go back to here, we could type some code like this. We can start by making an HTML. Oh, not that. And then I can also go H1. I can say hello. Now when you guys go here, you guys can already see inside of the Explorer that you already got something. We could just go here and we could say save. But you're going to have to go inside of file, if you're on a Windows, has to work. File, save. I don't know why, but you can't really like save it from here on Windows. Now, since we have our thing, I want to open it in the browser. So we'll just right click from here and we'll open it in other browsers. We can go to Google Chrome, and as you guys can now see, we have our thing. Hello right here. You could also set our default browser, right? You could also run it and always go. So we can install the debuggers, breakpoints, configurations, start debugging, go. I'm trying to find this. I don't know why, but that's okay. We we could just go inside of here and press open in the thing, open in browser, open in default browser. We can go. We can make our default browser. Okay, so now as you guys can see, we have our hello here. We could go out of here, put this on the side because Windows has a great thing for going to the side, as you guys can see. Now, if I press, let's say I want to make it blue, like I want to make the style background black and then the color white, we could just go style, and then we could go H1, go color black, no, color white, right? I was trying to make it white. And then we could go down real quick. We could go down here. And then we can go inside of the HTML and go background color, and then we can just say white, black. And then I can just put a slash here, a slash here. Now I can just save this real quick, so I'm just gonna go file. I can also say autosave, which I really actually like. So we auto saved it right now. And now since I have it loading right here, we can just now go inside of here and we can press restart. As you guys can see, we immediately have our hello changed to white and this to black. Very simple video, very simple. If you guys also want to just do a simple Python, you could just go inside of here, not make it inside of our HTML. We can make a new folder called Python, and then we can see inside of it, we can make a new one, and we can say new.py, which is a Python one. So now I can press just to print hello world. Now if I just run this, so I actually have to like run it from here. Actually, that's weird. We could just run it from here, so that is weird. I've never actually done like the Python thing here, like to run it. That's okay. We can go inside of here, inside of our extensions, because I've actually did Python in a little bit. We could just go Python, install it for Microsoft, make sure it's for Microsoft, and make sure it has this number, a little bit more, I guess, because there's like millions of people that do it per day. Now since it's installing, it's going to take a little while. Install Python, select the Python observer, install Python. Then it'll take you to the Python store. You can set it all up, get it, open, install. This is only for Windows 11 because Microsoft needs it for Windows 11. This is going to take a little while, so it might take a little while. But as you guys can see, we've already got it and it's already installing. Alright, now since we got that, we can just exit out, and then install Python. Python is not installed, download it, go back here, and then you have to install Python. But we're not going to go in that. That is for another video that we have. But at least we have in Python inside, and we have our HTML stuff, so we can actually do it. This is very easy to do, very simple. Now, since I did that, as you guys can see, we have a run thing right here, and then, as you guys can see, hello world on the bottom right here. We have everything in here, the terminal, output, debug console. But I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed how to learn how to do, the Visual Studio Code. I hope you guys learn, and I'll see you guys later.